Good morning, students. So, chapter 1 to chapter 4, it will come in our first unit. So, we have discussed those chapters. Some walks also we have done. More I will try to provide you in demo. But apart from this chapters of grammar, language, composition part also included, comprehension part also included. Comprehension is up to practice. We will practice that one. But before composition, which one will come? That is formal letter. So today we'll just start an introduction about formal letter. First we'll come to know what is the rules and norms to write a letter, what we should follow to write any kind of letter, though it is formal, informal. But though we'll discuss about formal letter mainly. And after that I will provide you the format to write a formal letter. Clear? So first let me see. Before only I have written some points on the board. Just focus on that. First is that some rules of writing letters. Which rules we should follow while we are writing letters. Our letter while we are writing, it should be clear, complete, concise or brief. Courteous means it should show that we are sincere or concerned about our writing to whom we are writing. So it should be courteous and correct. It's most important, correct. So clear means what? It must be able to see exactly what you mean. Means what is the content of your letter. It should be very clarified to whom you are writing. Always keep it in mind while you are writing a letter. Keep it in mind that a reader is there who will read your letter. So it should be very clarified or clear to that person that what you want to mean or what exactly you want to say to write. Try to write in short sentences, brief sentences, so your mistake will be less. Clear? Idea should be clear, that what you want to say exactly to your reader should be clear. Complete. Whatever ideas you are providing to your reader, information, necessary information. This point I must say right, necessary information. Necessary information should be given. Complete. Whatever the necessary information you want to give to your reader should be completed. So first point I said it should be clear, must be able to see what you exactly want to say to your reader. Second point should be complete. Necessary information only will give. No need to do exaggeration or extra or elaborate it. No need to elaborate it. Just give the necessary information you want to give to your reader. So these 2 points may be clear. Clear means your idea should be clear what you want to say to your reader. Second, complete. Your letter should be consist of necessary informations. No need to elaborate or exaggerate it. Whatever the need to write the letter, that should be there. That is only the necessary information about. Third point is concise, means brief. Very brief with your point. Let the reader be understandable about the point, that what you want to say. It should be very brief and to the point. After that, courteous. You should see that your reader must feel that you are sincere about your writing. Clear? You are sincere and polite about your writing. What is this point? Sincere and polite about your writing. You should be sincere and polite about your writing. Your reader must feel that while you are writing a formal letter, you are sincere and polite towards that person. Clear? So, first point I said clear. You should be clarified to your points. You should be put only the necessary information you need. You should be to the point, very brief. Your sincerity and politeness should be overcome with your writing while the reader is reading. Your reader must feel that you are sincere and polite about your writing. And at last, correct. Correct in the sense, pronunciation, the grammar and spelling. This part should be clear. Punctuation or spelling, this part should be clear. Okay, correct in the sense, especially we are seeing that punctuation or spelling. Clear? What we are seeing here? Punctuation and spelling. Clear? Punctuation and spelling. This part should be clarified to you. So these points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points I have discussed, these are the general rules we should follow while we are writing the letter. Clear? So what I said, clear, complete, concise, courteous, correct. This point should be there while you are writing your formal letter. So today I just discussed about the rules and regulation we should follow. What should be there, what should not be there in our writing. This all we have just discussed. And in our next class I will give you the format, and with the format I will discuss which points you should add there or not. Clear? So this much today. Just go through the rules and regulation, then I'll provide you definitely the format. And the format, whatever I will write on the board, exactly that one you have to follow. Whatever words I will say that you can change, that you can do. But which one I will say that you have to write, you have to maintain, you have to maintain. Clear? Otherwise, as I said, marks will be deducted and rules are rules only. You cannot change the rules. Clear? So the format, whichever I will write on the board, just that one you will follow. Until then, just go through the rules, how to write letters, which points should be there, and just get ideas that which sentence and words you can include there. Till then, thank you students.